Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs Gold. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I am finally putting together my St. Patrick's Day I always want to say tier tray, my St. Patrick's Day treat tray. If you've been following me, I've done 2 videos on how to make chocolate covered pretzels, some Oreo mint bark, some rainbow bark, some chocolate covered Oreos, and today I'm finally putting that tray together using all those items that I made as well as some other little goodies. So I'm just going to quickly go over what I have to put on the tray. So I am starting with my handy dandy square white plastic tray, and friends, you can use any kind of tray. I have a circle one, I have a smaller rectangle one, so any kind of tray. You can even get a piece of heavy duty cardboard if you want. You can use like a big cutting board, like when you do charcuterie boards. Anything will work. I purchased these little I don't know what they're called. What are these kind of cups called? I can't think what they're called. Of course, I don't have my glasses on to read the bottom of it, but I purchased these. It was a 4-pack, and I want to say they were like $5.99 at Home Goods. I'm going to use 3 of these to put some of the smaller candies in. And then I have this little cauldron. I think I'm going to use that on the tray. I'm not 100% sure. And then, as I mentioned, I have some chocolate covered pretzels. I have some rainbow bark. And I have 2 containers of the Oreo mint bark. And I have some green chocolate covered Oreos. And I have some of the vanilla or almond flavored Oreos. I mentioned this in my last video. I bought these Lucky Charm marshmallows because I was going to put those in the chocolate rainbow bark, but they were just too big, so I thought, why not just put them on the tray? I still have some leftover M&M, mint, leftover mint M&Ms. They're 3 different color greens. I have some leftover sour rainbow candy, and I also bought some of the Airheads as well, so we have quite a bit of those. I also have some of these Starlight mints. I love those things. And I have some leftover mini M&Ms. I'm just going to throw those on there as well. Then I have a nice big old bag of Skittles. And then lastly, I have some Hershey Nuggets. I thought that'd be great for the pot of gold, so that's what I was thinking. So that's all that I have that I'm going to put on my tray today. So let's just turn this camera down and get started. All right, my friends, so here I have my tray with my little, I cannot think of what these are called. Something with an R. I don't know. But anyway, ramekins or something. I don't know. But anyway, so I was just trying to figure out how I wanted to lay this out. And I think what I'm going to do is do like one in the corner here, one here, and then my pot of gold. And I'm thinking rainbow, pot of gold, rainbow. I don't know if that'll work, but that's what my plan is. So, I think what I'm going to do is start with my items that are in the dishes. So I am going to start with my Skittles. I'm going to put those right here. We're going to fill that up to the top. And we can always use those to do a fill-in. And then what I think I'm going to do, I don't have a lot of these. So what I think I'm going to do is mix this up. Do the mint in them and just kind of mix them together. So I'm going to pour some of those in there. Might be too many. And then, there we go. There we go. I like the looks of that. How's that look? You like that? I think that looks good. Okay, we have a few left of those. We can always sprinkle around if we want. And then I have these here, these little airheads. So I thought, you know, at the end of the rainbow, so because they're rainbows, we'll go right here with these. Go. A few left of these, and I had these left over too, so we may end up putting those on the tray. We'll have to see. All right, so I kind of have my little rainbow theme happening there like that. And then this is my pot of gold, and I have these Hershey Nuggets. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in here like that. And then I will fill in a little bit on the tray here once I get more things on there. So now that I have that, now let's start working on the tray. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is start with my chocolate covered Oreo cookies, and I think I'm just going to kind of do this with them. Kind of do like a little rainbow. Go. Alright, that worked out good right there like that. I hope you guys can see that. Let me turn it around a little bit. Maybe I can work backwards a little for you like that. Just kind of creating a little bit of a arch. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my vanilla Oreos, and then we're just going to do the same. Oops. Worked out perfectly, just like that. And then I think what we'll do is, maybe I'll do a row of chocolate on there. Oh no, I think I'm gonna fill that in. Ooh, what to do? Okay, so next I'm gonna take my bark, Oreo mint bark, and I think I'm gonna fill in some sections up here with it. Just like this. Okay, well, that worked out well. And then I think what we'll do now is, what do I want to do? I think we'll do, oh my goodness, maybe a layer of marshmallows. Go. How stinking cute is that? Alright, and then what I'm going to go ahead and fill in with my pretzels, down here at the bottom, just like that. I'll come back and fill in a little bit more of the marshmallows. Starting to come together nicely. Really like the way this is working. All right. Hope you guys can see that. So now what I'll do is come back in with some more marshmallows now that I have a little bit of height there, and just fill in with them like that. some pink down there. Okay. All right, and then what I think I'm going to do is go ahead and take my rainbow bark, and I'm going to fill in this area right up here with this. What you need to do is just look at, like, once I put this down, seeing where I have space. Like, this isn't a ton of this, but I knew I could work down here with that. So that's why I chose to put that down there and this up here. And I also wanted this because it had the rainbow in it to be like the top of the rainbow kind of deal. So, put all this on there, that. How stinking cute. Okay. And then I have some of the mints here, and I've got some gaps over here, so I'm going to go ahead, put the mints right here. And then I'm going to put some more chocolate right down here for the pot of gold. Just like that. There we go. Got our little pot of gold there. And I'm just going to, I want to add some more of these mints because I know people like these, especially putting them in their purse. We're going to squeeze some more of these mints in there. Okay. Perfect. Just going to move some stuff around just a little bit. Okay. Just bringing that up like that. Just move this up at the top a little bit over just to give myself a little bit more space here to add some mints. We got mint and mint, so I like keeping that together like that. I did that on purpose just to keep the mint flavors together. And then I have some of these. I'm going to go ahead and just fill in a little bit of space over here since I have the rainbow candy here. I'm just going to put some of that in there like that. Okay. Left of these candies that we put in here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just sprinkle them through. There's like a few little gaps here and there with the cookies. So I'm just like throwing them in there. It just adds a little bit of color like that. Whoops, doing this upside down, so I'm hoping. Okay. Oh, there's still a couple in there. Put one there. Like that. Alright, friends. I have a tad bit left of marshmallows, so I'm going to go ahead and just get those in there as well. Trying to, the color's working. There we go. Oh, one left. Alright, look at that. What do I have? Skittles. Should I throw some Skittles here and there? Doesn't hurt to have a color popping around. I love when I have color popping around. Just like that. That one's damaged. Alright, friends, I think our tray is done. Look at that. Oh my goodness. How stinking adorable. I'm making all kind of noise over here. All right, well, let me get the camera down and give you guys a close up. All right, my friends, so here it is. Let me pull back. You can see the entire tray. So we have our peppermint Oreo cookie bark back there. We have our Starlight peppermint or mint candies. We have some sour rainbow candies. Our pot of gold, the Hershey almonds. And then we have our chocolate covered pretzels. And the marshmallows, the Lucky Charm marshmallows. We have all the Oreo cookies in the middle. And I did a mix of mint and regular M&Ms. And then we have our rainbow bark and some Skittles. And then some more sour candy. And then I just sprinkled some Skittles all around just to add a little bit of more color. I think it turned out really cute. I'm really happy with it. I'm going to take this to work, so I think my coworkers are going to enjoy this. All right, my friends, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun putting that tray together, and it was so simple and easy to make all of those treats that I made to put on the tray. I will link both of those videos in the description box of this video, so you can go back and check it out. I promise you, it takes no time at all. It is so easy, and I've mentioned this in the past in other videos. This is a great way to get your kids involved, have them in the kitchen with you working. It's a fun activity. They're going to enjoy that tray. It will make them so excited when they see the tray put together, or just even if you just make one of the barks or the chocolate covered pretzels or cookies, they are going to love it. So I'm hoping that you do like this. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, as it does greatly help me out. And don't forget to hit that little bell, because it'll notify you every time I have a new video coming out. And also follow me over on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. I am very active on all those social media sites. On my Facebook and Instagram, I do a lot of other postings. Right now we're talking about the gas prices, and I'm trying to provide some helpful tips on ways to save on gas. You know, you all know how much it's costing to fill those tanks up. So go check me out. Everything, all my social medias are under Mama Needs a Goal, and they're also linked on my About page. I have a list of all my social media sites, and I have my link tree. You can just click on that, and it'll give you the option of whatever site you want to go to. So go check me out over there. You don't want to miss everything that I'm posting there as well. So friends, thanks again. I hope you all have a wonderful and happy St. Patrick's Day. I'll see you next time. Bye.